Knowledge Bandara, an animated video presenting the world's best-selling books.
Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Bandara. Today it is not about book summary or technology video. Today it is all about unboxing. It is an exciting day because I have latest and greatest smartphone from OnePlus. Yes, that's right. It is OnePlus 11. I'm going to unbox this beauty and take a look at its impressive specification. So let's dive right in.
Alright, let's open the box and see what's inside. As always, OnePlus delivers a sleek and minimalist packaging. Here we go. We have the usual set of accessories: a Type-C charging cable, a 100 watts wrap charger, a protection case, and the SIM ejector. OnePlus always includes everything you need right out of the box. There are two available configurations: 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage or 16GB RAM plus 256GB storage. I strongly suggest going with 16GB RAM to get the best performance. Now let's talk about specifications. This phone is powerhouse. It's equipped with latest technology to ensure a smooth and faster user experience. This phone has latest Oxygen OS 13 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This combination ensures seamless multitasking and incredible performance for gaming and demand tasks. On the front we have a 6.7-inch fluid AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. The colors are vibrant and the 120Hz refresh rate makes every swipe and scroll feel buttery smooth. On the back there is a triple camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary sensor, a 20 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. These cameras work together to capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting conditions. Moving on, the OnePlus 11 comes with a generous 5000 mAh battery which should easily last you a full day of heavy use. One more important aspect, it has LPDDR5X RAM for ultra speed performance.
To wrap up things, OnePlus 11 is an impressive flagship smartphone that packs a punch in both design and performance. With its powerful processor, stunning display, and versatile camera, this device is best fit for tech enthusiasts and everyday users. I'll be testing this phone for a few weeks, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out review and comparison video. So thanks for watching. Bye.